So this is the paint job that I get. And that's worse than having the cracks in there. Look at that. That was my fear, was that it would have been better just leave the cracks in there, because that's terrible. So now I got to take it back to the dealership tomorrow. And I don't know how they're going to buff that out, but come on, man. Everybody got a job to do, man. We live in a society where everybody's half-assing everything. Just mailing this shit in. Look, they even got scratches on the car where there wasn't shit wrong with the paint. There was nothing wrong with the paint over there. No, that's unacceptable. That's worse than the car was before I took it to them. I would prefer to have the scratches stuck at the two paint chips in there than to have this whole bumper look like that. Yeah, that's terrible. Yeah, that's unacceptable. Yeah, that is. I cannot tell you how pissed I am. And that color does not match. So it looks like whatever they were doing, buffing it, was really worse than what was wrong with the car from the beginning. Look at that. Look, look at those scratches. Look at that. That is really piss poor work. Yeah, look at that. That's ridiculous, man. It's like they sent this out to a high school body shop to get done. Yeah. That will be going back to the body shop. And I don't want them to touch anything else on this car but the shit they fucked up. I mean, look, I even got scratches on here now. I mean, what are you using the buff with? A fucking piece of sandpaper? You fucking serious? Yeah. Yeah, that's terrible. That is probably the worst paint job I have ever seen. At least the finish. I don't know what to say. Other than the Corvette dream has turned into a Corvette nightmare. So I'm almost at the point where I kind of want my money back. I mean, because clearly these people don't know what they're doing. But that is the worst paint job I've ever seen.